Hey YouTubers, what's up? This your boy TQI guy here with a unboxing from something I ordered from Amazon. I forgot what I ordered. So yeah, it's a package from Amazon. So let's check and see what I went ahead and ordered, because it was about a week ago, or a little less than a week ago actually. So we can go ahead and rip this open. Monster unboxing. We gotta do this like Godzilla. T-Rex unboxing. Okay. Wow. The Anker power port Q. Okay. Kai. Let's see. 10 million plus happy users and counting. Looks like an easy wrapping. Don't look like I have to use the handy dandy knife or scissors or whatever. So we can go ahead and get into this. Oh snap, check this out guys. America's #1 USB charging brand. And it says thanks for choosing Anker. Alright, so I think this is the wireless charger that I seen on sale for like $11.99 on Amazon. I think it's compatible with pretty much any wireless charging device. This is freaking crazy. And they did say it's like a hockey puck, so don't mistake this for a hockey puck, guys. I don't play hockey, so this wouldn't even be no use for me if it was a hockey puck. But yeah, it definitely has the hockey puck thing going on. Okay. And it has the USB cable, just a normal USB cable. But I think I'm gonna try my my Dell. I think I'm gonna try my Dell USB cable with it and see if there's any difference. Okay, and of course you got some manuals, instructions, probably warranty, warranty guide, and where it says not happy, I guess you can return it. I guess they have like a great return rate or something like that, or not a great return rate, and that's it in the box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test this out a little bit real quick. Let me go ahead and use my turbo charger from Motorola. Go ahead and do this real quick. Unwind it. Alright, plug that part in. And we're gonna see if this is charge up my next 6. Alright. Okay. See if any lights come on first. Okay. Power lights on. Alright. Now let's give it a try. See if it start charging. Okay. I guess it's a... Wow, it's charging, guys, off the first try. It is working. So there you guys have it. This is the Anker USB wireless charger. I got it for $11.99 on Amazon. You guys can go check that out if you haven't. Hopefully it's still on sale. Alright, this is the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Peace.